Hello guys, this is Real CAD/CAM Solution. Today we're going to see the 2D drafting drawing of mechanical. I just set to the unit setup as usual normal. My previous video I explained how to set a unit limit and dimension styles. Please watch our previous video. And then go to set the second setup as dimension style. Dimension style is a type of unit setup. Okay, and then finally I set to the limit setup. Okay guys, it's ready to working on the drawing. I put the rectangle for using the drafting. Okay, I just enlarge the scale section of my section area. Go to center to the point of area and go to move the rectangle to the drafting view. Okay, I just listen the drawing, what is the dimensions of the area, and go to offset to the rectangle. Just measure the distance of the interior portion. Okay, I choose to the rectangle. Outer is 50 dia, inner is 30 dia, and go to draw the line. Just offset to the baseline. Okay, and then offset to the left side part. Also the inner dia of circle. Then offset to the base area. Okay, two circle has been set, and the final one is we need to draw a line of connection both of the circles. And I go to my connectivity on the both circle, so I take to the straight line. Also draw to the another straight line. Just fill it to the corner section, F enter or enter, 0 enter. The corner is set, and then also same fillet option on the arc side of the corner. Okay. The drawing is fitted to perfect. Listen to the drawing and go to take my line option. take to the center line, clear to the offset of center. This is the section of a hole on the plate. Okay, and go to offset to the mid area. Just offset to the mid area. And go to change my line type option, because the section of the hole is dotted. That's why. And go to change my property of the line setup 0.1. It's a scale type of line. Okay, it's all to be done. And just I go to measure the all radius and linear dimension of the line. This is the radius, but I need to take a diameter of the circle. First of all, I increase the text value of the diagram. It's 25. So clearly we know the diameter of the circle is 50. Yeah. And interior of the circle is 30. And I'm going to measure the distance of the line. Take the diameter of the another portion of the circle. Okay. And I am going to measure the end of the plate to center of the circle. It's around 56. I need to round up the value. Just go to the dimension, 0 to the precision. First of all, go to set the unit and go to the dimension setting. Set to the precision is round up 0. Okay, and also go to change the arrow size, bigger to the arrow size. Okay, it's all to be done. And then go to change my property settings of the dimensions. Just listen how to set my property setting, like color highlight and the style variations also. And go to set the line property also by the color. Look at the preview window. Color is changed. Look at the preview window. It's changed. And then go to change my text dimensions text style. Dimension text style is more important to the highlight to the drawing. All to be done. Now we ready to see the drawing. Finally our 2D drafting mechanical drawing is completed. And then go to, we finally take a PDF file, just a Control P option, otherwise to select to the plot option, go to DWG to PDF, click the PDF option for the clarity of vector quality of the PDF. Okay, and then go to choose my paper size. I need to choose a A4 sheet size. It's a portrait view, so I choose a 210, 297. Click the portrait view and go to window and select to the cut option of the drawing. Just select and go to see the preview. And this one the final drawing of the mechanical drawing. If you like this video, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.